Hi everyone, my name is Anam Zulfikar and my student ID is 20172601. Today we are here for the presentation of ICT 500 case study comparative analysis and report. And my group members are Jaspreet Kaur, Ramandeep Kaur and Anju Korea. Moving towards the introduction, artificial intelligence and Internet of Things are transformative technologies revolutionizing the industries through efficiency, better decision making, and higher customer satisfaction. Artificial intelligence emulates human intelligence to allow for automation, learning, and deeper insights based on data. Internet of Things connect physical devices to the web, allowing for smooth data exchange and real-time updates. Together, both artificial intelligence and Internet of Things redefine knowledge management, smooth out customer service communication, and optimize data management in an organization. Next slide is artificial intelligence technical description is a subject in computer science that deals with the development of intelligent systems or programs to solve problems that would otherwise demand human-like intelligence to solve. Another artificial intelligence description is the man-made system which integrates elements of self-taught learning and approval and approve them in the context of limited growing experience so that they can refer to a logarithm data and computing power to mimic human cognition. Key factors and capabilities machine learning, a logarithmic learning from data by the system, where artificial intelligence pattern recognition and decision making are carried out without explicit programming. Natural language processing (NLP), artificial intelligence can read and write human language that allow machines to interact with humans. Robotics, the use of artificial intelligence is robotics adds functionality to robotics as it can perform tasks independently in areas like manufacturing and healthcare. Next slide is current state of development and potential application. The first application of artificial intelligence is growing fast today and will continue to grow as the development of deep learning, natural networks, and reinforcement learning expand. Artificial intelligence today in areas such as health, finance, and customer support operates through automation as well as improved decision-making capacities in their operations. Another application of artificial intelligence are in the sympathy of healthcare. AI helps in disease diagnosis, analysis of actual images, individual therapies, and more. From next slide, my group member Jasprit will continue.
Yes, hi, this is Jaspreet and my student ID is 20239776. I'll continue the next slide, which is technology 2. A detailed overview Internet of Things, which is obviously technical description. IoT is defined as the use of objects connected to the internet that enable them to acquire, transmit, and even analyze the information. These can include not only ordinary everyday objects such as the smart thermostats, wearable health devices, and so on, but they also in industrial machines which exist in the form of sensors. On the next slide, key features and capabilities. There are few key features like connectivity, sensor and data collection, and automation and control. In the first, connectivity, these connected devices use different communication interfaces like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular in an IoT system, agriculture environment in order to monitor or control remotely. In sensor and data connection, these devices contain sensors that also help to capture actual data from the surroundings, including the temperature, humidity, position, and motion. And the last, automation and control. These systems can perform tasks by pushing outputs to perform specific actions based on their input shifts. The next slide, the current state of development. Internet of Things is a growing concept with a growing number of devices that could be connected across the globe at a moment. This growth has been made possible by enhancements in the sensors to enable more efficiently and effectiveness in internet connectivity like 5G and edge computing. Smart homes, smart cities, and industrial IoT are already creating impressive effects. The next slide is potential applications. These are like smart homes. These built with IoT allows equipment such as smart thermostats, smart lighting, and security cameras, among others, to connect in ways to provide more comfort and efficiency to homeowners. In the healthcare sector, these wearables also can help to control health parameters like health rate, sleep, and physical activities. Also, these helping in conditions like heart disease, diabetes, so many. In the next, there is agriculture. These sensors can capture and analyze data on the soil moisture, weather, and crop status, and thereby help to improve the efficiency of irrigation and raise the yields of agriculture. From the next, this is the case study one, like technology implementation. This detailed description of a real world case study for technology one in OpenAI. The organization focuses on the leading development and application of AI technologies, especially in machine learning and natural language processing. The best evidence for these advancements of AI research and application is OpenAI like GPT series. Its main model GPT-3 and other iterations following this. And from the next slide, my other member will continue. Ramandeep, please continue.
Mine is 16 to 20.
That's mine actually. So,
Yeah.
just a second. Hi, my student ID is 20241136. My name is Sanju Poria. I will continue from this slide. And my slides is starting from challenges encountered for creating, circulating, and applying potentialities of bias and misinformation through models. OpenAI has to work around the ethical issues faced due to AI. For these, the intended use of AI model is to introduce bias of their own into the process and produce negative content unintentionally, as well as reinforce the existing bias of data. Using case study, OpenAI to facilitate genuine progress is centered on advancing the field and promoting the responsibility of AI and AI usage. In my next slide, there is a specific industry context. So, in a evolution industry like health and manufacturing of money through the web, OpenAI tech has enhanced customer relations with chatbots and virtual assistants through GPT-3. Furthermore, in domains of media and marketing, AI is applied for generation of material, in summary production, and in providing recommendations that are related to data analysis. Now, the next slide. That is a case study two of technology implementation, and this will detail description of a real world case study of technology two and Accenture. So, Accenture is one of world's leading professional services organization operating in field of consulting, technology, and outsourcing that has successfully migrated the IoT into its market sector to enhance its functionalities in the industry. For instance, Encastra's IoT solutions has been to connect smart devices and system to make an intelligent environment to facilitate enterprise compliance, effectiveness, and customer experience. Now, the next slide. There's this implementation process here. At Accenture, so IoT was introduced and integrated where the client's processes were analyzed and key aspects were where IoT influences value were determined. The Internet of the Things team at Accenture had to help the client identify the equipment and place sensors device to have monitor and collect information. The another point was supply chain on the client side was also improved by managing the flow of materials, inventories through the Internet of Things or the sensors of real-time tracking. And the next slide. So my last slide would be challenges encountered. Security and privacy. There was a great concern of securing sensitive data generation of IoT devices. And this desperate legacy system integrated IoT technology is not compatible with the system of the client. And the scalability, where the configuration of IoT system reached out of other production lines and other areas of factory, it becomes problematic to scale system to accommodate massive amounts of data, which IoT system was about to generate. Sorry, is it my slide again?
Hi, I'm Ramandeep Kaur. My student ID.
No.
No, it's mine.
All right.
And my student ID is 20240957. I'll continue the next slide. First, both and IoT rely on data driven insight to enhance the efficiency of operations and decision making. In the case of IoT, it also aims to improve productivity, reduce costs, and create smarter systems that adapt to changing conditions. And business can begin by implementing them inside current systems and scale their operation over time. Next slide. Comparative strengths and limitations. AI capability can be seen when analyzing large sets of data and coming up with recommendations, and in decision making, since the latter is highly automated. The IoT system automates information and allows for the connection of devices but loses its ground in concerns of limited device security, the access volume of data, and the integration of networks. Next slide, please. Impact on industry and society, economic implications, and social transformations. Integration of AI and IoT brings forth massive economic growth around industries by improving efficiency and reducing operational costs while allowing for entirely new business models. IoT is responsible for making homes, cities, and infrastructure smart, more convenient, secure, and sustainable. The role of AI in fast forwarding the interlace of service is out there. Let it be healthcare or customer support. Next is ethical considerations and legal and regulatory challenges. The widespread deployment of AI and IoT raises important ethical questions. Data privacy, bias in algorithms, and accountability for automated decisions are concerns in AI. Concerning AI, the questions and arise about its legal ownership, privacy, and legal responsibility for AI generated actions are important. Lastly, this paper endeavors to compare the significance of two emerging trends: artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things. The two technologies are emerging to be crucial, with AI improving automation, decision making, and intelligibility, while IoT links devices to provide smarter systems. In the future, the status of AI is to transform the industries in which healthcare, manufacturing, and urban development are included. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.